I have not been on this street in quite a while, I don't think. Fernão, Mendes, Pinto. It's named after a Portuguese writer. And there's actually, this street turns into one street here and a different street that way. So that one goes into Taipa village, and it also goes into Galaxy Casinos down that way. But this one goes into Taipa Centro, which is where all these tall buildings are at. So we're gonna basically go right into that. Firecrackers Museum is right over there. We're just gonna walk along it. And then there's a new parking lot right here that we're briefly look at. Then they're doing something up in the hills up a little bit here too. Okay. Giant bus. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Pretty cool motorcycle. Okay, so we're gonna head down Fernão Mendes Pinto. He's a Portuguese writer, and I think somebody told me that I think Mendes Mente is like liar or something like that, or is it? But anyways, I guess he's like a writer who's kind of known for fabricating things. But his name comes up a couple times. There's 2 streets with his name on it. But yeah, Portuguese writer from maybe 200 years ago, I think. You might have to correct me, I might be wrong on that. Could be 300, I guess. So anyways, we're gonna be heading on up, and we're gonna be basically walking right into the Taipa Centro, which is where all the tall buildings are at. And we'll just kind of see what we can see along the way as well. And to the left is all the museum, Firecrackers Museum, which is now available for viewing. So it's right on the other side of this wall. And then this one goes kind of near Taipa houses. So yeah, it's actually a little bit dark right now, which is maybe good, because it might capture a certain feeling, right? It kind of feels like you're in the woods, but we're actually right in the middle of the city. We're really close to some very tall buildings as well. Just kind of see what, oh, actually you have like places to sit up here now. This was actually just a bunch of debris, and now they built these pleasant places to sit. I bet it's pretty mosquito infested though. That's kind of cool. I didn't know that they had that. So you could really get in some nice green oxygen, nice green, yeah, and that goes towards, there's a swimming pool right there. So I just saw a sign a little while ago that said that it goes to the swimming pool. Casino way down that way. It's Raffles Hotel for Galaxy Casino. We're gonna walk down like this. So yeah, so actually there's like a nice park right in that space now. And then these 2 buildings, one of them is a temple. So this one is a temple, and the black one is was a coffee shop for a while, and then a hamburger shop for a little while as well. So it keeps changing, and we'll see what it is now. Yeah, I think this one is usually open, but it's closed at the moment. Yeah, actually this one, let's just walk over real quick. Dun, dun, dun. Torigang? No. Can't remember. I need to study the names of all the shrines. I don't want to say it because I don't know 100%. Maybe if you maybe let me know. Torigang is what I was thinking, but I think Torigang is not, you know. Actually, this also looks better too. Yeah. Hello. So this actually is also cleaned up quite a bit. It used to be more like garbage everywhere. That cat's gonna probably rub up against me in a minute, probably. Cats seem to like me a lot, so he's not doesn't have any fear of me at all, right? A lot of cats in Asia are usually afraid of people. Because sometimes people are scared of them, especially if they're black. Well, I like black cats though. Actually, a black cat next to this black building is kind of cool. The port. So kind of cool. That's actually a really nice space right there. So let me kind of run back like that. I can kind of capture that a little bit better. So yeah, actually that is now a different name. And then you got the shrine that way as well. And then now we're gonna get into the streetlights. Haven't quite come on yet here. But now we're gonna come out to density, shops, things happening. Oh, they cleaned this up too. Used to be like storage stuff. Oh, I see some storage stuff down that way. You can walk into these back alleys here, but the back alleys look really not very inviting. They look like you're in somebody's backyard a little bit. I think they're a little bit too dark to go down right now. So we'll just stick to our main street, which is better. Let me see, maybe we'll go on this side. I forget the name. I think these ones used to be like police. There's somebody up. It's a department there with washing machines and things. And those little alleys. I don't know how this will come out lighting wise. It could come up really gritty. Okay, there's another Portuguese restaurant, written in Chinese, which I think means it's more for the Chinese tourist than the Portuguese community, I imagine. I was going to walk all the way to the end of the street, and then we'll end this one. Before we go across, we got a cup of coffee. This is a pretty popular place. We got some books up the top as well. Macanese cuisine right there. Leaf has Malaysian, Southeast Asia cuisine. And we are gonna walk towards this towards our sign over here. And now we're at our sign right here. So we're at Fernão, Mendes, Pinto. So that was basically our street all the way down that way. Dino Burgers over there. You got tons of tall apartments everywhere in this area, so we're kind of at the base of them. And that was our target street right down that way. I'm gonna keep the camera on just briefly and just kind of highlight. So I always thought those were kind of cool right there. So yeah, all of that is into Taipa Central. So we're going to end it. So that was our street right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la